Hi, the dance is called It's Your Moves, choreographed by Neville Fitzgerald and Julie Harris. It's a 48 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot to a left-right diagonal. Forward touch, forward touch, forward touch. Big step, side, rock behind, recover, side, behind, quarter to your left, forward, forward. Now you're facing 9. Section 2, forward mambo. Step right foot back, bounce and sit 2 times. Bounce, bounce. Jump forward on your left and tap behind. Back, sweep your left, behind, side, cross. Section 3, half turning circle. 1 is into your right, cross, 10:30. 1 is into your right, side, 12 o'clock. 1 is into your right, back, 1:30. Back, 1 is into your right, side, forward. Now you're facing 3 o'clock. Forward, half turn to your right, stepping back, quarter to your right, side rock, recover, cross. Now you're facing 12. Section 4, side, rock behind, recover, side, rock behind, recover, side. Say the quarter to your right with a cross, quarter to your right, behind, side, cross, and cross. Now you're facing 3. This is the end of 32 counts. It's the restart point. Section 5, left diagonal. Step, lock, step, right diagonal. Step, lock, step, left diagonal. Step, lock, step. Quarter to your left, big step. Side, together, sweep your right. Last section, behind, side, cross, quarter to your right, stepping back, half turn to your right, stepping forward, forward mambo, half turn right, stepping forward, and drag your left, touch, and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. In this dance, you only dance 48 counts on wall 1 and wall 3. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.